Welcome to our channel. If you're a budding woodworker looking to turn your passion into profit, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of profitable wood projects that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these projects can help you generate income while honing your craft. Woodworking is not just a hobby, it can be a lucrative business. With the right projects, you can create beautiful and functional items that people are eager to buy. From home decor to useful household items, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll explore several easy-to-make projects that are not only enjoyable, but also marketable. Before we jump into the projects, let's talk about the benefits of woodworking. Not only does it allow you to unleash your creativity, but it can also be a great way to relieve stress. Plus, the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands is truly rewarding. And when you can sell your creations, it adds an extra layer of fulfillment. In this video, we'll cover a variety of projects that cater to different skill levels and interests. Each project is designed to be accessible, even if you're new to woodworking. We'll provide you with step-by-step instructions, tips for sourcing materials, and advice on how to market your finished products. From rustic wooden signs to stylish furniture pieces, we'll guide you through projects that have proven to be profitable. You'll learn about the tools you need, the time commitment involved, and how to price your items competitively. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to get started on your woodworking journey. We'll also discuss how to find your target market. Understanding who is most likely to buy your creations is key to your success. Whether you sell at local craft fairs, online marketplaces, or through social media, knowing your audience will help you tailor your projects to meet their needs. Additionally, we'll touch on the importance of quality craftsmanship. As a new woodworker, it's essential to focus on creating high-quality products that will stand the test of time. We'll share tips on how to improve your skills and the best practices for finishing your projects to give them that professional touch. As we showcase each project, we encourage you to follow along and try them out for yourself. Don't hesitate to put your own spin on these ideas. Creativity is what makes woodworking so special. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and each project you complete will bring you closer to mastering your craft. So grab your tools and let's get started. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips, project ideas, and inspiration. We love hearing from you, so please share your thoughts in the comments and let us know which projects you're excited to try. Thank you for joining us today. We believe that woodworking can be a rewarding journey both creatively and financially. Let's embark on this adventure together, turning simple pieces of wood into beautiful, sellable items. Stay tuned for our first project, and let's make some money while doing what we love.